Hi, I'm Rusty. This is my second time submitting this project. The first time when I did it last semester, there was a problem in connecting the PHP to the database. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a solution for that, which cost me a lot of marks. So now I work on the same project. I have not changed anything about the database. The database is still the same. All the data is still the same. The only small change that I have done is I added one table, which is admin table. And now the website, the PHP code of the website have a good connection with database. I solved that problem that I had before, and everything with all the functionality is working great. Now I am demonstrate all the functionality of my website, and I will start by showing you my database first. So this is my database. These are the tables. If you go the admin table, the new table that I add, as you can see, the password is all hashed for security reason. And like I mentioned, pretty much all the other table is still the same as before. If I go to my website, so this is the front page of the website. There are some few information about the company, Enigma Inc., and there's a sign in for the admin, which currently we have 3 admin. Now I'm going to sign in as one of the admin. Sarah@gmail.com, and the password is pretty simple, 1 2 3. So when you sign in, this is a homepage. This one called success.php in my file, which is this file here. As you can see, we have a menu bar here with employee, department, job, project, time log, admin, and assignment. If I click on employee table, I'm going to this page, which is called employee.php. It has the name and the name of the first name, middle name, and last name of all employee with their employee number, job class, and another column here, which is called action, for delete and update of the data in this table. I will demonstrate this action, but first I want to show you the file of employee table, which is in here. So what I have done is, for every table I have, like employee table, I have created 4 file. So this file is very simple one. It has a basic HTML. It doesn't even have the table, because the table is in a fetch employee.php in here. As you can see, the table is here, and this one is the action column. Is the action column for the update and delete of employee, and this one is, these are my HTML and my PHP code for updating. Sorry, this one is department, this one is the employee one, for updating the employee details, and this one is for deleting. This delete employee.php is to delete any employee from the table. Let me demonstrate these actions to see the connection. For example, this employee number 101, the name is John. I will change this name to My name, I will change it to Rusty. And update employee. As you can see, the name 101, employee 101, has changed to Rusty successfully. And if I want to delete somebody, I will delete this one that I have added before as a test, which is named Sarah. I'm deleting the last one, 333. That's the employee number. Employee list. It asks me, are you sure you want to delete this? I say yes. And it has been deleted. So both function of delete and update in the column section for employee are working fine without any problem. And before I show you the other table, I'm going to demonstrate this one here, which is adding employee. If I click here, I can add employee, and this is the code for that file of adding employee to the employee table, which is here. This is the code for that one. Let me demonstrate this. I will add another employee. I will add myself as an employee, or someone else, not everything myself. I will add John. Oh, sorry, this is employee number first. I will make it 255. 255. John. The last name is L. Middle name is L. The last name is Michael. Job class is manager. Add employee. And now let's look at the employee table. It should be at the end because it's 255. Yes, manager, Michael, John, 255. Everything is here. So that's the employee table. And it's the same thing for department table. I'm not, because of the time, I will not show you the file, but the file is here. Like I mentioned, for each table, I have, for example, for department, I have department.php. I have fetch department PHP, and I have update department PHP, delete department PHP. So 4 file mix of HTML and PHP for each table. So these are the same for all of them. Also here, I can demonstrate one of these functions. For example, updating quality assurance. I will update this information. I will change this to something else. I will make it human resourcing. Human resource. Okay. Oh, that's... And I will update it now. As you can see, it has been updated to the human resourcing. And it's pretty the same thing for the job. I can update one of the rate per hour. For example, I can update this 96.75 to 100. Let's update it to 100. It has been updated to 100. Let's go back here. As a time log, the action is still the same thing. We can update and delete anything that we want, and I will demonstrate the delete for this one. For example, I will delete quality assurance. I will delete this one. It's number 42. As you can see, it has been deleted. This was a time log. And this is the admin table. Currently we have 3 admin. Also, we also had add admin page, and the add admin page is pretty much next to the add employee, which is add employee's admin page, and this is the code for it. It's similar to the add employee, but it was simpler as there was not many columns in employee table. If I add an employee to here, I will add Muhammad, and the email will be muhammad@gmail.com, and the password will be 123 or anything that we want, but for our test we just use 123. Add, and we can see Muhammad has been added to the table. And the last table here is assignment table, and I have put this column of action for all of it. I should thank Cynthia for the suggestion. When I showed my project to her, this action column was only for employee, and she suggests it will be better if I could add it to all of the table. So I have made the change to my code to add it to all the tables instead only the employee table. And for example, let's update something here. I will update the hours to 60 hours instead of 51. Updated, as you can see, it has been updated to 60 hours. So the website is pretty straightforward. All the functionality of inserting data, deleting data, updating data are working in different tables. We can add employee, we can add admin, we can update all the tables, we can delete data from all the tables. And so yeah, and we have this one. When we want to go out, we can just click it, and we get back to the home page, which we need to sign in again to go and see the tables. And this is here is my CSS code for styling the website. I have used some image for in this project, which is this, as you can see it from the video. It's like a behind image in the table, and this one is the one in the home page. And the last thing I want to show to you is this one, which is in the I use a Lighthouse tool to show the performance and the accessibility of my website towards the desktop, and this is the result that I got, which is pretty good compared to some other examples that I have seen. It shows that my website actually in a very good condition and is quite responsive, and the performance is pretty good. So this is my project. I hope you like it, and to be honest, I am really regretting that I could not make it work last semester, because now my grade is being capped at 40, which is something not very pleasant, to be honest, but it is because of my own action, and I learn a lot from it. So I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching it.